The year of 2023 has witnessed ever-increasingly intense competition in the laser industry throughout the country. Penta Laser holds high the banner of high power and high-end development and proceeds with determination. Bright prospects. The laser cutting equipment of 60 kilowatt is firstly launched in the world and causes a sensation in the market. We gain a landing bulk order and get export started. The installed capacity is way ahead. Opening ceremony of innovation. Shanghai Institute of Optics and Fine Mechanics and Zhejiang University of Technology work together to establish Zhejiang Laser Intelligent Equipment Technology Innovation Center. Making a mark. The holding company Zhejiang KBF Laser Technology Company Limited gets down to the track of new energy. We join in the supply chain of such tycoons as Sun E-Grid and Chained. Pack energy storage equipment is installed for smooth production. Considerable sales and profits are obtained. Victory in Europe. The wholly owned holding company, Cutlite Italy, maintains rapid growth and dominates the industry of laser cutting equipment in Europe. Prosperous export. The export of high-power laser cutting equipment achieved good results, rising more than 50% on the yearly basis. New arrival. BYD purchased dozens of 3D 5-axis laser cutting equipment for its integrated production line of automotive battery. Another glory. The efficient high-precision machining technology and equipment of complex components won the first prize of Zhejiang Provincial Science and Technology Progress Award. This is the commendation for Penta Laser's unremitting efforts to develop the laser cutting technology. Grand inauguration. Penta Laser's Central China R&D and manufacturing base successfully goes into operation, which marks the complete layout of 4 nationwide R&D and manufacturing bases of Penta Laser. 2024, we are ready. Go abroad. We will double the export volume by leading the path of brand globalization. Commitment to the quality. We will be devoted to high-end products. Commitment to service. We will strive to quickly respond to customer demand with online and offline platforms. Let's make progress together and embark on a new journey. The descendants of the dragon will create the legend of the dragon.